I didn't plan this day. I chased it. I came off a night shift with barely 2 hours of sleep, eyes burning, body heavy. But the forecast said something I hadn't seen in days. Clear skies. Just for a few hours. Just enough. After 10 straight days of rain and dark clouds, I couldn't ignore that. So I slept when I could, got in the car, and pointed it toward Donegal. The road was long, but the closer I got, the lighter my head felt, like something was waiting. When I arrived, the Atlantic didn't ease me in. It hit hard, waves smashing into cliffs, sharp rock after sharp rock, sea arches carved by time and violence. Every direction I looked, there was another place that demanded attention. Not politely, urgently. We were thirsty for views, hungry to see more, to capture more. But the day was already against us. Winter doesn't wait. Sunset comes fast. And here, 5 o'clock isn't a suggestion. It's a deadline. Crohy Head doesn't let you slow down. Every edge feels wild. Every step needs care. And every few meters, you realize you could spend hours in one single spot. But there was no time for hours. Only choices. 3 places. That's all we could manage. And Crohy Arch, we saved that for last. As the sun began to fall, everything changed. The light turned warm, then deeper, then unreal. Gold melted into orange, orange into yellow, and along the edges of the clouds, just the faintest hint of purple. I've seen many sunsets and many sunrises, but nature never repeats itself, not once. Every single one is a masterpiece, finished, signed, and then gone forever. I stopped thinking, stopped planning, stopped feeling tired. I just moved, trying to catch every angle, every reflection, every moment before it slipped away. 30 minutes. That's all it took. 30 minutes to forget the stress, the frustration, the weight of long shifts and restless nights. 30 minutes that erased 10 days of rain. And I wasn't alone. People appeared along the cliffs. Tourists, locals, everyone instinctively finding their own edge. Each group choosing a different spot, different rocks, different heights. Cameras came out, phones raised, but between the clicks, there were moments of silence. That quiet awe you only hear when people realize they're witnessing something rare, something unrepeatable. When the sun finally dropped below the horizon, it didn't end suddenly. It lingered. Soft light, gentle color, the ocean still glowing, as if it hadn't accepted that the day was over yet. And that's when the strange feeling came. Excitement, mixed with sadness. Because it was beautiful, and because it was ending. The final light faded. Only a calm orange remained. Yellow softened into gray. The purple slipped away. And just like that, it was done. 30 minutes. Enough to clear my mind. Enough to reset something inside me. Because tomorrow, and the days after, the rain would return. But this moment? This one was mine. Crohy Head didn't just give views that day. It gave release. And sometimes, that's more than enough.